So you can basically build your own world. We can build our own world right now, bro. You can place all the vehicles, all the assets, the road signs, everything. There is so much. You can place trees down. There's so much we can do here right now. Okay, I know this might be a lot to take in, and you guys are wondering what exactly is going on here. What is all of this stuff? And I'm going to be honest, I am too. What is all of this? What is all of this that we're getting for the CPM1U update? Well, we're about to find out. Hey guys, it's Legends here back with another video, and we are in CPM1. New update just dropped, so all of you that were saying CPM1 is not getting any love, you have been proven wrong. We have so much going on. This might just be the biggest update that we will get this year. If they top this update, man, I don't know. It has to be something crazier than this. But from you can see so far, the version numbers right here, it's in the beta 4.9.8.2, and this is what we got in new garage and stuff like that. And you can see I have the new 400Z right here, the Nissan. So this is one of the new cars that you can expect to see once the final release is here. And yeah, let's get down to it. Big construction going on. That's something we're going to take a look at as well. You guys are going to be excited for that. But patch notes first. Got to show you guys the whole breakdown of what's going on. So first thing, I know you guys got to take a look at the new cars first, but don't worry, I'm going to read it through it while you guys take a look at that. So multiplayer event, the big construction. That's what I just clicked on. You saw in the garage on the home screen. We got a CPM editor / my world. Players can create, host, join, and make their own custom environments. That's what you saw in the intro. I might have put a little bit of it in the intro. And city main world sale after the big construction event. So after that big construction event ends, they're gonna have the world sale in the city, I guess. So I'm gonna show you guys the construction area that will be right there after the big event that takes place. And these are the new cars. Right here we got this big pickup truck. Is it a Ford? Yeah, that badge looks like a Ford, so it just might be a Ford. But I don't know what model exactly. All the truck guys are gonna have to tell me what that is. We got the BMW M2. We had that in CPM2. We have what is this? A Toyota. What's it called again? The guys. What is it? Fortuner. Yeah, the Toyota Fortuner or something like that. I don't know. And this is a Nissan 400Z. The new garage is here. We got new skins, reworked cars. You guys saw that the RX-7 was one of them. There's another one too. We're gonna take a look at that. World sale is now enabled. First-person players' hands, fixes, adjusted physics for cars. We're gonna have to test it out for drifting and probably track racing. So CPM1 might get a big physics change. That could be an improvement or ruined. We're gonna have to find out. And you got your regular bug fixes going on right here. So that is nice to see. Now, I have a problem. A good problem and a bad problem. The good problem is that I already have the cars that you guys want to see. I already bought them in the first patch. There was a first patch of this update, and I already bought them. So like the truck and the BMW, I already bought those. But now in the 0.2 patch right here, so this is the second patch I'm reviewing for this video. Once I go to new, you only see the M2, and this M2 is gonna cost real money now. Yeah, I bought it for game cash in the first patch, but now it costs real money here. And the 400Z is gonna cost like 2,500 coins. But the truck, you can see the truck and the Toyota, the Fortuner, is nowhere to be seen in the car list. I went through the entire car list in this patch and they're not to be seen. But I already had them in my garage. So I don't understand what's going on there. If they changed up the plans, if they plan to release them later or something like that. But it's a good thing I decided to buy them to show you guys before this change happened. Because right now I can't see them anywhere at all in the shop like how I did in the first patch. So let me go right here. Now you can see it's right here by the Ford, the Raptor right there. And if I go to the Raptor in here, you'll see that it's not there at all. So if I scroll up, you see the M2 back there. But now I come to the Raptor. This truck is not there at all. So I don't know what plans they had, why they changed it up, if they're going to make it cost real money or it's going to be an event vehicle. I think that's what's going to happen. Because here we have the event. If I go to the rewards, oh, okay, here it is. So I bought them already, but they're actually event cards that you can't unlock yet. Wow, that is actually crazy. I did not expect that. So they have a whole battle pass here that you gotta unlock with premium. And you cannot get the big truck and the Fortuner without getting premium. But as you guys can see, I already got them because I bought them in that first patch. So lucky me, I guess. I might do some giveaways for them. So be prepared for that. If you want one of the trucks, I might just do a giveaway for it if we can sell them. So with that said, let's get down to it. Since you're on the truck already, I'm gonna show you guys the body kits for that. And here, so here are the kits that we got. It's the first bumper that is stock. It's the second one. That little wrench. The one. And this is the one with the bucket at the front, little shovel at the front. This is the one I like. At the back here now, you have a quite a variety at the back. You have the regular body, and that with the bars, the double exhaust like an actual truck. Utility. This one, which one is this? A wide body version? And so this is stock. So what's the difference here? Or is it the exhaust? Oh. No, it's not. What is the difference? This got a little fatter, I guess. And this is the other one, looking nice. You got this one. Even the tail light's different on this. Oh, got a closed body. Little old truck vibe. And you got a no body. And then you got this one with the tipper, with the dump truck. I like that one. Then we got the side pieces right here. And so that one. Now you got the light bars at the top. We already have this for a majority of the trucks that are in the game, so that is nothing new. But yeah, this is the new truck. I should research the full name of these trucks before reviewing them, honestly, but because I'm so excited to get straight to business, I didn't even take a moment to research what it is. But I'm sure I'm gonna allow you guys to comment down below so you guys can engage on the video and people can see exactly what type of vehicle this is. So the next car, I'm gonna just take a look at the M2 or the 400Z. The 400Z, since it's newer. 2,500 coins, by the way. And the exterior. And these are the wings. Of course, we have to have premium stuff, right? So if you want a cool carbon wing, you gotta get premium. Wow. Okay. So I just went for this little one. I don't know if I want to buy premium or not, honestly. I could buy premium and start giving away the premium body kit version of these. Maybe that would be nice for a live stream or something. But I'm not too liking the whole premium stick when you have to buy cards for coins already, or for real cash. You still have to have premium on top of it to get the full access to the body kit. So I'm not a huge fan of that. But here are the kits. I'm just cycling through them right now. And that one. And they have some aggressive wide body kits here. So like this. I get a full-on Formula Drip style body kit right here, which is for premium, I guess. It's either Formula Drift or Time Attack. I don't know which one it is, but it looks sick. That. So that's the 400Z. Which one's up next? So let us do the M2. So I'm gonna do the M2, then the Fortuner. Here's the M2. Body kits for the M2. They also got premium stuff here, even though it's pretty much the same thing as CPM2. We got, what is this wing? I don't think I saw that in CPM2. I'm not sure. Not entirely sure. That thing looks wide. I don't think I saw it in CPM2. I saw this one, I think. And this for sure. I don't know if I ever saw this. So I guess that's the premium stuff. We have the front bumpers. And rear bumpers now. Definitely saw this one in CPM2. And side skirts. And here's the hoods. And yeah, here's the body kit version. It's pretty much the same as CPM2. And that's the M2 BMW. Where's the Fortuner now? Here it is. Event car. You can't buy this on the shop anymore. Only the first beta testers were lucky enough to get this in the shop. But here are the kits for it. They put a drip wing on this. What? Okay, I guess. They got bull bars. Why is this premium? But okay, bro. And then we had the regular stick at the back. Even this is premium. Even the light bars are premium now. Okay, I guess that's all we can buy. And it's unfortunate. So those are the vehicles that we have new so far. And what else? I'm gonna take a look at the world builder now. That's the next big thing that I'm gonna take a look at for you guys. The CPM editor / my world. That is the big feature that's coming this time around. I'm gonna take a look at that and show you guys the new clothes first. So we got construction stuff. This is a construction theme going on here. We'll buy that one. I'm not sure if these are new. Don't remember seeing those. We got these masks. I think those are new, yeah. The construction fits should be down here. There they are. Some construction stuff going on here. Construction gloves. Nothing new in the backpacks. We already got the construction fit of shoes now, yeah. For the construction shoes. So we got that. Let me see if they have any for the females. Yeah, I'm seeing shoes for the females. And I'm seeing hats. So y'all got your hats for the females too. You should got the fits. Yeah, you got the same construction thing going on here. Same gloves and all of that. So everybody got their stick. Now for that world editor thing. You can either go to online after you finish building your world or single player. So if I go online, where my world is already here, you can have your own world where your friends can join or whoever you want to join right there. But I'm gonna have to edit it at first. So I'm gonna start, and don't mind all these big obstacles. I got the colliders turned off, I think. Have we turned off on this? Yeah, I can drive through this one. Okay. So I got my colliders turned off. Let me drive in front of the go-karts here. So when I stop, here we are. These are all the stuff I placed, but if you hit our phone, you're gonna see a lot of stuff here. You're gonna see world sale, you're gonna see the CPM editor, and all that. So I'm gonna hit the CPM editor, and you can see where I placed all the assets. So you can basically build your own world. We can build our own world right now, bro. You can place all the vehicles, all the assets, the road signs, everything. There is so much. You can place trees down. There is so much we can do here right now. And you can set to have the colliders on. What's this? So if I move the tree, here's the car. We can basically heat the car away. So yeah, and you can turn it off just like that, and it won't be you won't be able to hit it out. Oh, this is a big tree. I didn't know it was that big. But yeah, so that's the options you have. You can scale it down, stretch it, all kind of stuff. This is like developer mode. And you can delete it, you can duplicate it. I duplicated the go-karts right here. So I click one of the go-karts, I'm duplicate, and you can drag it, move it in, use this button to go up and down, and you can slide over here like you're using the drone camera. You can set these how you want. And let me try to move the plane. Here's a plane right here. You can set up your whole scenes. You can make so many role play scenarios. So much stuff can go on. So many ideas, honestly. You can even place a text in the world. Look at that. Let me rotate it. You can rotate your stuff like that. Oops, I did not mean to do that. Let's see how to rotate. All right, cancel that. Place a new one. Let me place a new one down. So place a new text. You can move around like that. Then you can put in your text right here. All right, subscribe. Oops. Subscribe. And scale it down. Not okay, there we go. It's like too big. I guess it's too big and it like doubles down. And I can't let this letter come up to the top. I don't know how to do that. But yeah, this is it. You can set multiple spawn points. I have one spawn point over here. So this is where my car spawned in. You can set multiple spawn points for you and your friends. So that is cool to see. And I'm gonna delete these now. Because you can save your world. And then when you go to multiplayer, you'll see you can invite people and create a custom room and they join you and see all the assets there, just how it is. So we can make custom drift tracks, custom racing circuits. You can set up the lines to the direction that you want the cars to drive. There is so much potential for this, honestly. Can't wait until everybody has this so you can see all the creative builds. But with that said, let me grab my truck real quick. We're gonna head into multiplayer and you guys are gonna see what's going on for this construction. So let me grab the semi truck. Yeah, I'm gonna grab this truck. We gonna head in there. One of the new cars, so they're already giving away cars for free. I'm gonna do that on my live stream, but for right now, we're gonna check out this construction thing. Let me head over there. Head over to the site before you're taking on a mission. It's gonna be right here. You look for the gas station over here. Turn it around. You can roll in here. And here you can see drop off points. So you can only build here in multiplayer. Drop off with other players and it shows your leaderboard right here. Shows who does the most drop offs in the room, I think. So similar to the track leaderboard in CPM 2 at the Nürburgring, here it's the jobs. So I'm gonna try to deliver one of these. Let me see, where is this? Pick up the water truck. Okay, let's go pick that up real quick. Water tank. Is that it? Is that my pickup? Okay, I think it is. Let's try to. So right here, you see this hitch right here. So now you got a new button to hitch on the trailers. So now that's hitched it on, and we need to load it. You can now load it right here. This is like Euro Truck Simulator. Wait, let me back up. So I can load it. And now it's loaded with water. Let's go. Oh, move, Bush. Bro, the thing just disappeared. What? So it's a bit buggy right now. I'm gonna have to do most of these with single player probably. Well, not really single player, but in my own multiplayer server, just so it's not too bugged out because the game is like tripping out right now. But yeah, that's the basics of what's going on right now in this update. I'm gonna do more videos, like a detailed look at the new cars and stuff like that in the next video. But yeah, let me know what you guys think so far of this brief review. And as always, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Stay safe.